Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Neeru Style Corner. Today we are going to see a refreshing juice which is Pudina Lime Juice. This juice is very refreshing and it's very tasty. Also very easy to prepare at home. Before going into the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications whenever I post a video. Now let's get started. For preparing Pudina Lime Juice, we need the following ingredients. First, juice of 2 limes. Next, salt to taste. Next, 1 inch of ginger. Then, sugar 4 spoons. Then, 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. Now let's start the process. Now add pudina or mint to the mixture jar. Then add ginger. Then add squeezed lime to it and make a fine paste. When you have fine paste, then add sugar and salt to it and grind it again so that it combines well. Now add 5 spoons of this mixture to a water jar. Then add lemon slices and water to it. If you want, you can also add pepper powder to it. Just adding and completely adding water to it. I've already added the lemon slices and also will be adding the mint leaves and give it a good mix. Now I've taken a glass and I'll be serving it chilled. I'm adding few ice cubes. And garnishing it with mint and lime slice. This drink helps to reduce stress and feel relaxed. Pudina juice helps in cooling the body and also keeps you hydrated, especially in summer, and prevents dehydration. So please try this recipe and let me know how it was. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more such videos. Thanks for watching.